or find the dimension of the rectangular. This find the inscribe the semicircle of radius r. Find the dimension of the largest rectangular. Suppose me this x-axis, this y-axis, this semicircle origin 0, 0, this x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. This semicircle point is rectangular. This P of r cos theta, r sin theta. This x coordinate x equal to r cos theta, y coordinate r sin theta. This x. Origin right side x, origin left side x. This length of the rectangle is 2x. This of y. The length of the birth is y. Solution is the semicircle with the center origin 0, 0 and radius r centimeters. The point on the semicircle P of r cos theta, r sin theta. This x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin. The length of rectangular is 2x. X plus x, 2x. This x equal to r cos theta. This x, this y. X equal to 2 into r cos theta. Next, breadth of the rectangle equal to 5. Y equal to r sin theta. Area of the rectangular. Rectangle. Capital A equal to L cross B. L length is 2x. 2x equal to this. This L, this B. L equal to r cos theta, B equal to r sin theta. A equal to 2r cos theta to r sin theta. R into r square, 2 into sin theta cos theta equal 2 sin theta cos theta equal to r square sin 2 theta. This is a of x. This is a of x differentiate with respect to x. A of theta. A dash theta equal to r square constant sin theta derivative 2 cos 2 theta equal to a double dash theta r square into 2 into cos theta derivative minus sin 2 theta into 2. A double dash theta equal to minus 4r square sin 2 theta. Minus 4r square sin square 2 theta. Now, for minimum or maximum, dash theta equal to 0. F theta equal 0 is 2r square cos 2 theta equal to 0. This outside cos 2 theta equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to cos of pi by 2. 2 theta equal to pi by 2. Cos cancel. This value is outside. This theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4. When theta equal to pi by 4 implies f double dash theta equal to minus 4r square sin 2 theta. F double dash pi by 4 equal to minus 4r square into sin of 2 into pi by 4. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Minus 4r square sin pi by 2 equal to minus 4r square. Sin pi by 2 is value is 1. Minus 4r square less than 0. Since f double dash pi by 4 less than 0. Therefore, f of theta is a maximum at theta equal to pi by 4. The length of the rectangle equal to 2 cos theta equal to 2r cos theta. 2r into cos of pi by 4. 2r into cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2 equal to root 2 whole square r by root 2 is cancelled equal root 2 r centimeter. Next, breadth of the rectangle equal to r sin theta. R into theta value is pi by 4 equal to r into sin 45 value 1 by root equal to r by root 2. R by 1 root 2 centimeters. Now, therefore, the dimensions of the largest of the rectangle are root 2r comma r by root 2. This is a answer. The length equal to root 2r, breadth equal to r by root 2 centimeters. Dear students, exercise 7.8, problem number is 10. A manufacturer wanted to design an open box having a square base and a surface area is 108 square centimeters. Determine the dimensions of the box for the maximum value. Determines. This is a manufacturer wants to the design the box. Solution is square box. This small a, H height. H. This is a 4 parts. This is 1, this 2, 3 face. Let the length, comma, breadth and height of the open box. This is a open box. First is the area of the square equal to A into A equal to A square. Area of 4 sides equal to 4AH. This first, this second, third. Front face is a fourth, this back face. Total 4 faces. 4 faces equal to area of the 4 sides equal to 4AH. The surface area is 108. Surface area equal to 108. Surface area equal to 108. 108 equal surface area formula equal to A square plus 4AH. 4AH. This is a bottom. This is a 4 sides. 4 sides. This is a 108. This is A square. This surface equal to 4AH. This outside equal to 108 minus A square. H is equal to 108 minus A square by 4A. Value of box. Value of the box equal to V is equal to LBH. LBH equal to L equal to A, B equal to A square H. A square H. A square equal to A square into H value, this equation 1. 108 minus A square by 4A. 4A cancel. V of A equal to A square into H value. 108 minus A square by 4A. A cancel. V of A equal to 1 by 4 into 108 multiplication 108 minus A cube. V dash A equal to 104 into 1 by 4 into this is respect to A equal to 108 into 1 minus 3A square. V double dash A 1 by 4 into this constant error 0 minus 6A. A square equal to 2A into 3, 6A equal to V double dash A equal to 1 by 4 into minus 6A. 2 2 ja 2 3 ja equal to minus 3A by 2. V double dash A equal to minus 3A by 2. Now for minimum or maximum, let V dash A equal to 0. V dash A equal to 0 equal to 1 by 4 into 108 minus 3A square equal to 0. This 4 outside, 108 minus 3A whole square equal to 0. This 4 outside, 0 into 4, 0. This minus term is right side. 3a square equal to 108. 3 1 ja 3. 3 ja 9. 186. A square equal to 36. A is equal to plus or minus 6. A greater than 0 implies A equal to 6. This is double positive area. Area is 6. A is equal to minus 6 does not. It is not possible. It is not possible. Not possible. Next, when A is equal to 6, A is a positive value 6, substitution this, V double dash 6, this equal to minus 3 into 6 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja equal to minus 9, is a less than 0, less than 0. V of A is a maximum at A is equal to 6. A equal to 6. A equal to 6 in equation 1. H is equal to 108 minus A square by 4A. H is equal to 108 minus A square 6 whole square by 4 into 6. H equal to 108 minus 36. 6 whole square nothing but 36. 6 4 ja 24. H equal to 108 minus 36. 8 minus 6 2. 10 minus 3 7 by 24. 24 1 ja 24 3 ja. H is equal to 3. A value is 6. H equal to 6. The A value equal to 6. H equal to 3. Length of the open box equal to 6. A equal to value is 6. H equal to value 3. Equal 6 centimeter. Breadth of the open box equal 6 centimeters. Height of the open box equal 3 centimeters. Therefore, the dimension of the open box equal to 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Exercise 7.8, 11th problem. The value of the cylinder is given by formula V is equal to pi r square h. The cylinder formula, this is the value of the cylinder formula is V is equal to pi r square h. Find the greatest least values of V. Greatest and least value of V. Find this greatest least values. If r plus h equal to 6, given condition this. Solution, given that r plus h equal to 6, r plus h equal to 6, h equal to 6 minus r, equation 1. Equation 1. Given formula, the value of the cylinder, value of a cylinder where V is equal to pi r square h. V is equal to pi r square h value from equation 1, 6 minus r from equation 1 equal to VR. Let VR equal to pi into 6r square minus r cube. The differential with respect to r, v dash r equal to pi into 6 into 2r, 6 into 2r minus 3r square equal to pi into 12r minus 3r square. Again, v double dash r, pi into r derivative 1 minus 3 into 2r equal to v double dash r equal to pi into 12 minus 6r, 12 minus 6r. Take the now for minimum or maximum, let v dash r equal to 0, pi into 12r minus 3r square equal to 0. This outside. 12r minus 3r square equal to 0. 3r take the comma. 4 minus r equal to 0. 3r equal to 0 or 4 minus r equal to 0. R equal to 0, r equal to 4. This is a r equal to 0 comma 4. This values r equal to 0 comma. When r value, when r equal to 0, in v double dash r value is 12r pi into 12 minus 6r equal to v is equal to v double dash 0 equal to pi into 12 minus 6 into 0 equal to 12 pi. This greater than 0. This is greater than 0. V of r is a minimum at r equal to 0. Next, when r equal to 4, v double dash 4 equal to 5 minus pi into 12 minus 6 into 4 equal 5 into 12 minus 24 equal minus 12 pi less than 0. V of r is a maximum at r equal to 4. R equal to 4. Values is 0 comma 4 in h is equal to 6 minus r, h equal to r equal to 0 in class, h equal to 6 minus 0, h is equal to 6. Next, r equal to 4 implies h minus 4, h is equal to 6 minus 4 equal to h is equal to 2. The value of minimum, value of the minimum equal to v is equal to pi r square h, pi into 0 whole square into h value is 6, 0 equal to 0. The value of the maximum equal to pi r square h. Pi into r value is 4, h whole square, r value is 4 into h value 6, 2 equal to pi into 16 into 2 equal to 32 cubic units pi, 32 pi cubic units. Therefore, the greatest and least values equal to 32 by cubic units and 0. Dear students, this exercise 7.8, last problem 12th. An halon cone in the base radius is A units. Radius is A units and height is B centimeters. And placed on a table, show that the value of the largest cylinder can be hidden or under earth is 4/9 times of the value of the cone. This cone is this height h, this is a cylinder, this radius is small a, O, A, B, C, D, E, this is E, F. This distance is A, this distance R. This base of radius is A, the height is B. Height is B centimeters and base of radius is A centimeters. This length is R. Next, this two triangles. This OAA, one triangle. Another triangle CAF is another triangle. Solution: the value of the cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. This triangle OAA is inequals triangle CAF or similar triangle. The sides is the smallest triangle. The smallest triangle is CAF, largest triangle OAE. First is smallest sides AF by largest AE equal to FC equal to EOE. AF equal to AE total AE minus EF by AE equal to FC height is H by B is OE B equal to H B. AE equal to small a, equal small a, F equal small r by A equal to H by B. AR equal to AH by B or equal to A into A minus AH by B or equal to 1 minus H by B or equal to A into B minus H by B in equation 1. In equation 1 substitution V is equal to pi into R value A square B minus H whole square by B square into H. V is equal to pi A square by B square into A minus B square plus H square minus 2BH into H. V is equal to pi A square by B square into H square into H cube minus 2BH square plus B square H. This is a V of H is equal to pi of A square by B square H cube minus 2BH square plus B square H. The differential with respect to H. V dash H equal to pi A square by B square into 3H square minus 4BH plus B square. This V double dash H, V dash derivative this pi A square by B square, pi A square by B square constant. This 3H square, 3 into H square 2H minus 4B into 1 constant is 0, B square constant 0 equal pi A square by B square 6H minus 4B. This V double dash H. Now for minimum or maximum V dash H equal to 0. V dash H value is this pi A square by B square into 3H square minus 4BH plus B square equal 0. This term is pi A square by B square outside 0. 3H square minus 4BH plus B square equal to 0. Factors 3 into H square, 3H square adding equal to 3 into minus 4, minus 3 minus 1. This is a 3H square minus 3BH minus BH plus B square equal to 0. 3H common, 3H common, H minus B minus B common, H minus B equal 0. Again take the common H minus B, 3H minus B equal to 0. H minus B equal to 0, 3H minus B equal to 0 equal to H equal to B equal to 3H equal to B, H is equal to B by 3. H is equal to B by 3. This H equal not equal to, this is not equal to. The cylinder height is H and cone height is B. The two height is not equal to. This is not possible. Next, H is equal to, when H is equal to B by 3 in V double dash B by 3 equal to pi A square by B square into 6 into B by 3 minus 4B equal 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 pi A square by B square 2B minus 4B equal to pi A square by B square into 2B minus 4 minus 2B. This is a less than 0. This is less than 0. this V double dash B by 3 less than 0. V of B, V of H is a maximum at H is equal to B by 3. H is equal to B by 3. H is equal to B by 3 in equation 1. Equation V is equal to pi A square by B square into B minus H into H. H into V is equal to this value pi A square by B square into B minus H value B by 3 into B by 3 equal to pi A square by B square into 3B minus B by 3 into B by 3 whole square equal to pi A square by B square into 3B minus B 2B by 3 whole square into B by 3 equal to pi A square by B square 4B square by 9 into B by 3 B square cancel equal to pi 4B 4 by 9 into 1 by 3 pi A square B. This V is equal to 1 4 by 9 into value of the cone Therefore, the value of the cylinder equal to 4 by 9 value of cone